Hi, in this video we will see how to create a stacked bar chart of sensor events from different sensors and different event types using the MQTT over WebSockets source. For this you have to go to Instadeq and log in, or click right now if you don't have an account, and select the MQTT source. This source supports MQTT brokers that support subscription via WebSockets or MQTT over WebSockets, so your broker has to support that. In this case, I'm running a broker on my machine with some sensor events. So I will set the topic to sensors2 and authenticate because it has authentication built in, and I will click apply. Of course, this information will only be visible for the Instadeq instance that's running in a browser that's inside the network. So if you open this visualization in a network that doesn't have access to this IP address or this machine, it won't be visible. And we can see that events have three fields: time, ID, and event. ID is the ID of the sensor, and the event is what kind of event it was. We can aggregate. We want to count the events by ID and event, and it will clear the aggregation for every event. We want to keep accumulating them. There's a fixed number of sensors and events, so it won't go over the limit. We can sort by event count to see which event combination of event and ID is generating the most events. With this we can build a chart where we're going to chart event count by ID and event. The suggested chart is this one. We can see the other ones. This one may be interesting. Heat map also is interesting, but we're going to do stacked, and by default is event by sensor. We are going to click settings here and do it the other way around, and we're going to sort by event count. And now we have our chart with the number of events per sensor. So we can see, for example, that elevator floor had the most open events, and that it seems elevator floor 2 has the most enter events. And with this we can see outliers. It's also useful to do it with a heat map. You can see clearly which events are the most active. And this was how to visualize count of events per sensor using MQTT over WebSockets as a source. If you have any question, you can contact us over social media or on the chat window on our website. Bye.